May 17th, my friends, and I'm back at it. So it's beautiful today, plus 24 Celsius. I'm glad that I'm under this tent cover here for the shade, and there's a little breeze in here, so it's perfect. So I already just started to tackle this here, and yeah, let's get it ready for the bottom coat. And then it's gonna be the other side, and then it's gonna be the buffer of this part, like I mentioned. And the way I go about it for the tape, I overlap it maybe like a 1 millimeter over the existing bottom coat paint, just to keep that white line so it doesn't, over the years, that it doesn't go up to the stripe there. So my gosh, I waited a few weeks there until the road opened after the flood. Finally I'm here. Yeah, that's the thing with boating, eh? Bonus if you like to be on the water and chill, and extra bonus if you like to do the work yourself. Some people just pay someone to do it, which is fine, you know. It depends sometimes your health and whatnot, or you're just tired, you've been there, done that. Me, it's just I think my 4th or 5th year with this one, so I haven't been there, done that yet. I'm still just enjoying doing all of that stuff. Oh, my baby. Yeah. Good old acetone, right? Yeah, so now let's do the starboard side. Make her look nice and shiny on the water. Oh, I'm loving it already. How often do I do that? Once a year, just in the spring, just before the boat goes in the water. It's the perfect height. I'm on solid ground, so yeah, it's perfect. Much better. Just a little bit of yellow stains here to work on a bit later in the process. Now let's do that stripe. Now the big stripe right down here. I got the masking tape on, looking pretty good. It's gonna do a clean job. And I did the same thing on the other side, which was a bit more of a challenge. Let's see. Yep, the blue line all the way down there. And look at this, eh? The acetone did a really good job. After that, buffing. Whenever this dries up there, I'm about to apply a coat. Well, if you guys are interested to know, personally I use it's called bottom coat. So yeah, it's the black one obviously, and it's always good to really shake it well before, because there's a big thick sludge at the bottom here, so we want that to be spread all over. That's what I mean. Well, my friends, let's do this. And by the way, so it's been 2 years since I put the bottom coat on it. I put 2 coats. It's a 34-foot boat. And then, so how much paint does it take? 1.5 gallons in my case. So I really recommend putting 2 coats. When you put the second coat in, it totally blends in really well. Now it's just a touch up on the sides with the last half gallon that remains. So underneath it, I look, it doesn't need it. This is not going to take very long. It's going really well. Yeah. Wow. Oh, that looks good. And it feels right too. You're a good looking girl. So I'm halfway done on the one side, on the port side, and look at the difference. So after that, I'm gonna give it a second coat once it's dried. It's drying pretty fast actually. Now we'll see how far I'm gonna go at the back here. So I'm gonna see if I have enough paint after I've painted on the other side and give it 2 coats. To give you an idea of how fast this dries up. This here is dry. And I painted, started 10 minutes ago. I mean, look, right? Does it really need bottom coat paint? I'd say not. I'm gonna pick my battles. Yes, I'd love to do it because it looks so good, even though that part doesn't show once the boat is in the water. But I'm not kidding myself. If it needed some, I would. Same thing underneath. So let's do this side here. Another thing I noticed is when I put the first coat on, it absorbs a lot. But when I put the second coat on, you know where I'm going with this, right? It's just like it takes almost no paint. It just go on top and it just spreads really easily. That brush right now probably weighs about 15 pounds. That paint is thick and heavy. As anticipated, you can see a bit the difference in color when you only apply 1 coat. See, this is a bit lighter, this is a bit darker. Granted, this is still wet a little bit, but yeah, once I apply the second coat, it's gonna be, how do you say that in English? Uniform? Yeah. Priority number 1, almost done with the bottom coat paint. Priority number 2 is going to be the buffing on the side because it's easier to do on land than on the dock. And then priority number 3 is going to be at the top there. Just going to clean around like I mentioned in my previous video, before I put the isinglass on. It's a little bit dusty in there, so oh gosh. You know what? I have a conclusion. When a boat is clean, it looks impeccable. When a boat is dirty, it looks really bad. There's no in between. Oh my gosh. It's surreal all the dust that gets in here during the winter. Even when my isinglass was on. Yeah, now it's the raccoons. And I hate seeing the carpet like this. Oh my gosh. So we have a machine back home. A carpet machine, and I'm gonna use it soon. So this is pretty dry. I'm gonna leave it to dry a bit more. So I'm gonna just prep the surface here before I do the buffing. I don't know if you can tell. There's like the surface has some dust on it. So yeah, all I'm gonna do is just like go like this by hand and just take the biggest part out. And yeah, I can see a bit of a difference there, right? So once that's done, it's gonna be the bufferoo. Uh-oh. I took for granted that the buffer was on the boat, because I wanted to do some buffing while I was in the Georgian Bay. That never happened. Who in the right mind would do that, right? I thought I would have some time to do it, but no, it's too beautiful over there. So let's hope it used to be here. And do I have to go back home? Oh, it's looking good. Yes, okay, it's here. Along with a lot of, I don't know how you call those, buffing heads. And, oh, even have an extension cord. Oh, some rags. Forgot about those. And, yeah, There we go. That's fantastic. Put it here for now. And why the extension cord? Because of my battery pack. It fits right in there and I can just buff the boat as I wish. So how long have I had this buffer for? It's called an MVP. It sure is. I've had it for 34 years and it's still working great. You know, it just rotates. You got the other ones. I've never used the other ones. Let's see what you're made of. Let's put a little bit of love into it, shall we? Here we go. I've waited 2 weeks for this, for the water to recede. I'm so ready to do this. Ah. So they say not to let it dry. I got myself a nice little rag here. I'm gonna go buy the book. Oh my goodness, she looks great. Oh yes. The gel coat is really nice on it. My arms are gonna look like Popeye soon. Oh my gosh. Oh yes, there we go. Whoa. Oh, looks like a mirror from here, my friends. Wow. It is encouraging. I'll show you in a second. Right now I'm just too happy. Look at that. How shiny is that, right? Compared to this here. Oh, and I haven't even put the wax on it yet. We are looking good. This is the starboard side. This is the port side. Guess which one I just buffed? Oh, and let me know if you find out where I'm at. Oh, right. Yes. I can't wait to put the wax. I'm about halfway done doing the buffing, not the waxing yet. I should have brought a sandwich. And we shall see if this here is gonna come out. I think it was done at the lock on the Rideau Canal. The water was really low and the bumpers were not at the right height or something. I don't remember, but yeah. It helped a little bit, but I'm gonna have to use the big guns. And that is, oh, McGuire 49. Let's try it. So I got some McGuire 49 on this rag here, so it is working. Watch this. It takes a lot of elbow grease of sort, but look. Wow. Yes. Well, let's finish that off. Just a little bit left. Should I leave those little dots just for prosperity? Nah, let's take them out. There, all gone. let's have a peek of where we're at with that. So this is where I applied things. This is the part that I polished by hand. It looks like a mirror, doesn't it? Then all I'm gonna have to do is this here. Look at the difference, eh? Well, alright, it's time for the Meguiar flagship premium marine wax. So I've used this before. I bought like 4 bottles of each. The 49, the 45, and this one here, just so that it lasts me a few years. My wife says, oh, I'm going for a wax. Wish me good luck. Waxing is fun. The wax has dried. Let's do this by hand. Almost done. I got this little corner here to do. Well, that side's gonna be done with the waxing. Oh, there we go. Yes. Oh, the reveal, my friends. Ha! She's getting ready to go to the Thousand Islands for 4 or 5 weeks or so, sometime in June. Oh, yeah, we're getting ready for that. Oh. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, I am very impressed with the products and the results and everything. Wow, she looks great, right? Okay, so tomorrow, the other side, yeah. Haha, yes, she's looking sharp. And with that, we're gonna see you guys on the next one. All right, bye for now. I'm gonna go eat and I'm super tired. Ciao.
Sugar, oh honey, honey.
By the way, did I really start my engines on dry land on my last video? No, I was in a humorous mode. Only do that if you want to contribute to your local economy in a big way.